In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric screwdrivers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric screwdrivers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the electric screwdrivers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, UF Tools Kingsdun KS882037 Electric Screwdriver Set. The UF Tools Kingsdun KS882037 is a versatile 28/62/120 in 1 precision electric screwdriver set, ideal for repairing mobile phones, laptops, and small electronics. It features a rechargeable 350 mAh Li-ion battery with USB charging, a no-load speed of 3000 RPM, and a max torque of 0.25–0.35 Nm for precision work. The magnetic bits ensure easy handling, while the compact 15 by 180 mm design offers excellent portability. Suitable for DIY and industrial tasks, it combines performance, convenience, and durability in one tool. Number 4, JANGKLIFE 3.6V Cordless Screwdriver Set. The JANGKLIFE cordless electric screwdriver is a compact, rechargeable power tool designed for home repairs and DIY projects. Powered by a 1300 mAh lithium battery, it delivers a maximum torque of 5 Nm for efficient screwdriving tasks. The 3.6V motor provides reliable performance, while the lightweight 300G build ensures easy handling and reduced fatigue during prolonged use. Perfect for assembling furniture, fixing appliances, and other everyday repairs, this tool offers great value for home users. Number 3, PATUOPRO 5-Speed Brushless Impact Screwdriver. The PATUOPRO 5-Speed Cordless Impact Screwdriver is built for heavy-duty performance, compatible with Makita 18V batteries, battery not included. It features a high max torque of 240 Nm, a no-load speed of 2800 RPM, and a durable brushless motor for longer life and efficiency. Designed for tough fastening and drilling tasks, it's ideal for professionals and serious DIYers. The 1/4 quick change chuck makes bit swaps fast and easy, while its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during long jobs. Number 2, Worx WX242 4V Cordless Electric Screwdriver Set. The Worx WX242 is a smart 4V cordless electric screwdriver featuring USB charging and a complete 30-bit set for versatile use. It offers up to 5 Nm torque with a brushless motor for efficiency and longevity. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable grip, while the compact 37.5 by 190 mm size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Perfect for assembling furniture, repairing devices, or general household tasks, this tool delivers a balance of power, portability, and precision. Number 1, Worx WX242 Mini Smart Electric Screwdriver. The Worx WX242 Mini is a premium smart cordless screwdriver with advanced features like 7-level torque adjustment, torque memory, LED lighting, and battery level display. Powered by a 2Ah battery with Type-C charging, it delivers 5 Nm torque, manual mode up to 8 Nm, at 320 RPM for efficient work. Its compact 320G build and 37.5 by 37.5 by 190 mm size make it highly portable, while the included 30-bit set ensures versatility. Perfect for tech repairs, furniture assembly, and precision tasks.